Hey guys, it's Edit Ebenezer again from Semani Enterprise Tutors, and we've started a tutorial series on methods. Our last tutorial was about getting the maximum, the minimum, about majorly about the integer return type. And then I remember saying that this video is going to be about the char return type. So we're going to have a method that is going to receive a particular integer, and then it's going to convert that integer to a grade, depending on how I want to grade it anyways. But then to be able to return a char return type. So what have I done before starting this tutorial? I've created a new Java class file called getGrade.java, and of course I have initialized the main method with its argument. Another thing is you can always get these codes from my GitHub repository. I'm going to put it below, so that in case you don't want to type much, you can always just get it, paste it in your ID, and then tweak as you like. Alright, so let's get straight to business. What we would need first of all is an integer value that would be able to receive, or that would store the value being entered by the user. Alright, so if we have it to say int score, probably we'll call it score, then we need a scanner object to receive the value from the user now. So we're going to call it system.in, alright, as the argument. Then we'll tell the user to system.out.print, okay, enter your score. Alright, so what we now do is we now say score is equals to scanner.next int. Alright, next int. Okay, so there we go. So what next we need to do is to have a method that's going to receive this integer as its argument, that then is going to return back to us a character A, B, C, or D, depending on the grade the person got. Now we're going to call that method public, not void now, public static char. Okay, so char, then we'll call this method get grade method. Okay, so now in order for me to explain this char very briefly, char is used to represent alphabet, say A as an alphabet, B as an alphabet, C as an alphabet. Okay, so majorly that's what a char is. It will return an alphabet now, and then what this get grade method needs as its argument is the score that's been passed in, or that's been entered by the user. So int, first of all, for an argument you must declare what type it is. So int imputed score is what I'll call my argument now. Okay, so what we'll now do is we'll have to check is this imputed score that we would return a particular grade. Okay, so for this tutorial we're just going to have grade A, grade B, grade C, and grade D now. Alright, so what we'll do is if imputed score is let's start. If imputed score is greater than or equals to 70, okay, what we'll do is we'll return A. So the user got A now. Okay, if it is that, then another if statement. If imputed score is greater than or equals to 65, and imputed score is less than or equals to 69 now, okay, we would return, let's say that's a B. Okay, so we'll return B. Then I'll just copy this and paste it here. If imputed score is greater than or equals to this is from 65 to 69. No, let's say this is from 60 to 69 now. Okay, so this should be from 50 to 59. Okay, so therefore the person would get a C. Alright, we'll just paste it, C, then we'll answer for the D part. If it's greater than or equals to 50, 60, this should be 40, and then less than or equals to 49 now. Alright, so this should return a D. Okay, then okay, there you go, else, let's put an else statement, then return f. Okay, so f is for failing woefully, f is for failing woefully now. All right, so what we'd have to do now is we would then say, then let's make it a little bit professional, like let's okay, let's not go too far beyond ourselves. So print dot out the grade, and then we can say your grade is okay, then we'll append get grade method, then we'll send in this as our argument. All right, okay, so let's run this again, or let's run this instead. So enter your score. I'm a very bright student, so I should get 75. All right, there you go, your grade is A. Okay, so let's run this again. From now on, I'm going to put in the scores of my friends. There's a very good friend of mine called Joseph. Let's say he got 35. Oh, Joseph is a very bad student, but then I know he will get better. So let me run this and impute 60. All right, B. You see, 60 falls between this block, greater than or equals to 60 and less than or equals to 69. Okay, so if someone can get a D, it's a friend of mine known as Emmanuel. Let's say he got 45. All right, so your grade is D. All right, so I hope you understand the return type of car. We've looked at int, we've looked at void. The next one we're going to be looking at is we'll be looking at double. Now double is another data type, but it's also a number. It represents numbers mostly. This car is used to represent alphabets. We have string. String is used to represent we'll have words now. Words now, that's a combination of a combination of characters. So we're going to look at those remaining two return types using under the method series, and then from there we can move on to the next series. All right, so keep on watching, and I hope you're learning. All right, God bless you.